this is Jason. Today I will introduce the GPS compositions, standard compositions. It includes, this is GPS module. This is external GPS antenna. This is external GS antenna. This is GPS main cable. This is SOS button. And the other yellow cable is for SMS or APP cut engine. This is a kill start relay. This is engine off now cable it connects this yellow cable, and this white cable connect to on cable constant power. And you cut the original car fuel pacifier. This green cable connect to one end, the other green cable connect to the other end. Okay. You after finished installation, you send SMS. You will cut oil when someone hijack your car. Okay. Now this is microphone. Okay. You can use mobile app monitor the situations inside the car. This is a standard composition about GPS module. Thank you. This is GPS module. When you get this product from CARDOT, please power on this GPS module. When this GPS module has power on, you will find this GPS blue LED is blinking. It means it is power on status. And then you remove this cover. You will see this SM card, mate accessories. Okay, you put SM card inside this. Click tightly. This is the second step about SM card installation. Thank you. This is the third video. When you finish installation about GPS module, then you need to download the CARDOT app. This is CARDOT app. I have downloaded this app to this Android mobile phone. You can search the keyword CARDOT from the Google Store or App Store. You will get this app icon on the LCD screen. Then you click this app one time. You will see the interface of this app. The first column is GPS ID. You will see this sticker on the surface of GPS module. Login ID, the same. Okay, import this GPS ID to this column. And the second column is for default passwords, 6 letters. Okay. Login. This is the third video. Thank you. So this is the fourth video. Now we successfully log in this app interface. Our menu jumped out. As you can see, please set prompted questions. You click set button. Okay, you will see the new menu. Okay, you will see 4 questions. Question 1, answer, tips, a form. You need to fill in some information to this column, the first column, the second column, the third column, and the fourth column. Okay. The first, you set a question. For example, I set CARDOT brand. Okay. Brand. Okay. Okay. Answer. CARDOT. Okay. These tips means passwords. You must set 6 numbers at least for passwords. Okay. For example, 6 1. Okay. 4. Your mobile phone number. Okay. Must mobile phone. Okay. This number is 151 1 2 6 6 4 9 8 2. Okay, I have finished necessary information, question, answer, tips, phone. Remember that tips must be 6 numbers at least. Okay, 4 number, mobile phone number. Okay, I said enter wrong password question at least. Question must 6 letters. Okay, I add S. Set again. Set successful. Password question. Set successful. Confirm. This is the first video. Thank you. Let us exit this app interface. As you can see, there is one car icon, and on the right up corner, this one. Okay, I click one time, and you click the button, the last button, cancellation. Okay, confirm, show logout, confirm logout. Okay, now I have exited app interface. Now I need to re-login in this app again. Okay, this is now. Let me import passwords. Six letters. Log in. Okay, when you re-login in this app, you will find one new menu. This menu means you need to set look gesture password. Login successful. Now please set gesture password. Click. Okay, you can set any gesture you want. Okay, I set the shape. Okay, I finish. Confirm. Okay, now let us test the Bluetooth PKE function. So I execute this app again. Next video. In this video, we will show you PKE, Bluetooth PKE working status. This is app. This is icon, app icon. Okay. Now, if I want to test Bluetooth PKE without GS and GPS signal, I remove this SIM card from this GPS module. Okay. Now, no GS and GPS signal. We only use Bluetooth technology to test functions. Okay. This CARDOT, new app. Click one time. Now you need to set. Okay, import gesture passwords. I set the shape. Okay, you log in successfully. This is app interface. Now, okay, I turn off the app temporarily. Okay, I test Bluetooth PKE. Knock, unlock. Knock, it is off. Unlock, it is on. Okay, this siren will make sound along with the siren sounds. I shake and mobile phone. Okay, yes, off. I shake it again. Yes. Unlock. This is light blinking. Lock. Unlock. Without GSM GPS signal, I have removed a SIM card. I only test the functions by Bluetooth. Lock. Unlock. This is PK Bluetooth function. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.